team has been developing Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. We're making a more sophisticated, deeper Call of Duty experience. Variety is the next big thing for us. We're going deep and we're going hard.
The weak man may be careful not to soil himself with places.
In the mind and time, you'll find my lines combine and entwine on the line, rhyme divine. That line begin front line to be with me. Think I'm lying, come and get me. Sergeant Briggs will be for duty. Roger. Some say this belong in the movie, but this the third installment. Infinity War shit. Don't soil your drawers, cause it's deep in his heart. Ready for action, 50 cows start to clapping. Horsemen kicking the rerun, asking what's happening. Too late for all that flapping, out they gates with auto acting. This one's from McMillan, 15 years you have relaxed. Now it's time to settle the score. We ready to war as it gets on board. My tribe awards all. And this the third installment, Infinity War shit. Don't soil your drawers, cause it's deep in his heart, bitch.
All in Marines, stay frosty.